Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will explore how to easily configure and deploy AI voice agents onto your custom website using widgets. Here on the main Widgets dashboard, you can view and manage all active website integrations, such as this default landing page widget. Click the edit icon on the card to open its settings. You can customize the widget name, add notes, link products, and assign a workflow. Linking relevant products equips the agent with specific catalog knowledge. Select a workflow to define how the conversational call flow behaves. Under Advanced Settings, specify your allowed domain origins to ensure secure cross-origin communication with your site. Below that, the integration guide provides the exact script snippet for your website. Copy these HTML script lines and insert them directly into your website head or body tags. You can also enter a custom button ID to trigger the sales widget using your existing site buttons. Once embedded, website visitors can instantly initiate interactive voice sales calls directly from your web pages. To create a brand new widget, click the blue plus icon located in the top right corner. Fill in a descriptive name, add internal notes, select associated products, and choose the active workflow. Remember to configure the allowed origin website URL under Advanced Settings before saving your widget. Back on the main page, use the search bar or filter options to quickly locate specific widgets. That covers everything about widgets. Join us in the next episode as we explore system settings.